One of the most overlooked causes of transmission problems is how the truck is driven. Automated transmissions may seem simple to operate, but improper driving habits can lead to wear out components faster and lead to costly repairs. Let's go over some tips for driving automated transmissions the right way. One common mistake is applying inconsistent throttle pressure, especially during gear changes. Riding the throttle or constantly varying pressure can confuse the transmission control module, leading to rough or delayed shifts. Instead, use smooth and steady inputs, especially when accelerating or climbing hills. This helps the TCU make accurate decisions for gear changes. Switching to manual mode unnecessarily can override the transmission's ability to choose optimal gears, especially in newer systems designed for efficiency. Manual mode is great for specific situations like steep grades or icy conditions, but in most cases, trust the automated system to do its job. When descending a hill, engage the engine brake and let the transmission handle downshifts. This reduces wear on your brake system and keeps you in control. Over-revving or lugging the engine places unnecessary stress on the clutch and transmission components. Pay attention to RPM range. Automated transmissions are programmed to keep the engine within optimal power bands. Don't fight by forcing the gears or ignoring shifting cues. Excessive idling doesn't just waste fuel, it can also affect the TCU, as the TCU may misread load conditions when resuming driving. If you're idling for long periods, make sure to shut the truck off when possible. It saves fuel and reduces wear on the drivetrain. Each automated transmission has a unique feature, like Eco Mode, Performance Mode, or Hill Start Assist. Not using these tools correctly can reduce efficiency and increase wear. Take time to understand your transmission's features. Knowing how and when to use them can improve your driving experience and extend the life of your transmission. Sudden, aggressive starts under loads can cause the clutch to overheat or slip, leading to premature failure. When starting a heavy load, apply power gradually. This reduces stress for the clutch and ensures smooth engagement. Automated transmissions are designed to make your job easier, but they still need the right inputs from you to perform their best. With proper habits and a little care, you can maximize the performance and minimize wear, and keep your truck running smooth. Remember, how you drive directly impacts the life of your transmission. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or tips, share them in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, and we'll see you next time. Be safe.